Chapter 2, Number 14. The human nervous system can propagate nervous impulses at about 10 squared meters per second. Estimate the time it takes for a nerve impulse to travel 2 meters from your toes to your brain. We'll assume 2 meters is a little bit tall for a person, but then it's probably kind of winding its way. We'll also have to compute basically the average speed is about 10 squared, which makes sense. There's only to 1 digit of accuracy. Notice we also have only 1 digit actually in the distance, and this is but the rest of this is pretty easy because now we're going to say, the displacement is the velocity times the time. If we want the time, we can invert this and say the time is the displacement over the velocity. So it's something like 2 meters over 10 squared meters per second, which is 2 times 10 to the minus 2 seconds. Notice that meters over meters per second, the meters will cancel, and we'll have 1 over 1 over seconds, which is seconds. So we get something like 2/100ths of a second.